It's holiday time, and I want to let you in on a really, really, really big secret. This way, you can buy presents for people and also give back to your super fund at the same time. You're welcome. Now, how this works is there's a fabulous new opportunity in Australia called Super Rewards. If you sign up to Super Rewards and do all your shopping online, a small percentage from every sale is kicked back into your super fund. I know, right? Go figure. So, who are the retailers that are involved? You probably think it's someone really obscure, right? Let me just check and read a few of them out to you while I'm online. So, you might be thinking Woolworths. Okay, you need that turkey, you need the chicken, you need the salad for the family. Woolworths Online puts back into your super fund. Apple, thinking of buying someone a Fitbit, new watch, new phone. Apple is part of this. The iconic Booktopia, if you love giving books to someone in your family, please try Booktopia. Country Road, Bella Box, Hard to Find, Boohoo, Adore Beauty, Freedom Furniture, The Good Guys, Wines Direct, Microsoft, Lorna Jane, The Nourished Life, Superdry, Platypus. I can go on. There are over 120 retailers already signed up to Super Rewards. Now, not that long ago, the fridge in my office went, the little bar fridge, and I needed a new one. I signed myself up to Super Rewards, had to buy a new bar fridge for the office, and got $5 back into my super fund in the process. Look, that's not a lot of money, I know, but it's $5 I hadn't put in. And at the end of the year, whether you've got an extra $50, $250 or $1,000 based on what you've put in, purchased online and had go back into your super fund, this is a really brilliant way of addressing not only the super gap for women in Australia, who are traditionally the online shoppers, though not always. It works for everybody and into any super fund. I have my own self-managed super fund, and it works just as easily as popping it into a Sun Super, Macquarie, MLC, AMP, whoever you are with. Industry, retail, public offer funds, this works. So check out Super Rewards, and as Ian Molly Meldrum used to say, do yourself a favour.